Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making waffles with eggs. So in a separate video, I'm going to show you how I've made my homemade batter. I'm going to pour it in my Waffle Grill. So this is how it's gonna look like. So we're gonna close it. We're gonna close this and turn it. So now I'm just going to wait for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Now I'm going to turn it back and open this. And there you go. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Now I'm going to be making my egg. Let's go. This is beautiful sunny fried egg. Waffle. This is going to be so delicious. And now I'm just going to add some syrup. Yummy. So good. Thank you for watching my videos and come back for more.